In 1837, a year after Cleveland was incorporated, the city suffered a cholera epidemic, and the city's infirmary was born.
Most hospitals don't survive 100 years, and this is now a 182-year organization.
And its mission never changed. 28 physicians formed the first medical staff in 1891 and worked without pay, only asking for the privilege of using the hospital as a training ground for medical students. A formal relationship with the hospital and Case Western Reserve School of Medicine was founded in 1914.
Community health crisis is really in our foundation. So whether it was polio, it was cholera, it was TB, it was HIV, we were always at the forefront.
Metro has a distinguished history regarding the polio virus. In the 20s, Dr. John Toomey identified how polio gets into the body through the gastrointestinal system and was one of the first to prescribe physical therapy to patients. Metro became the third largest polio center in the U.S. and at the epidemic peak had 32 iron lungs in operation. Dr. Frederick Robbins won the Nobel Prize in Medicine for growing the virus in a test tube.
And he taught Dr. Salk how to do that.
Salk, of course, went on to develop the polio vaccine that eradicated one strain of the disease. Metro's Twin Towers are named for Dr. Charles Rammelkamp.
He discovered the cause and the treatment for rheumatic fever.
Metro's study of tuberculosis goes back to the turn of the last century as well. In 1904, Dr. John Lohman led the way in opening free TB clinics, including Sunny Acres, one of the first sanatoriums in the U.S. In the 40s, Dr. Emanuel Walensky conducted groundbreaking research in an effective anti-tuberculosis drug therapy and became a world expert.
The first head transplant, mammalian head transplant, was done here by Dr. Robert White.
He transplanted the head of a monkey onto the body of another and kept it alive for 9 days. Dr. White went on to become the medical ethics advisor to Pope John Paul II.
We had an integrated medical staff before almost anybody else did.
Dr. Ulysses Mason joined Metro in 1936, scored third on the Ohio Medical Examination Test, and established City Hospital as a non-segregated hospital where patients were admitted regardless of race. These are just a handful of many medical milestones MetroHealth has contributed.
The United States owes a debt of gratitude to these researchers.